Hi friends, this time my video is on interfacing an accelerometer, triple axis accelerometer to be specific, with the 8051 microcontroller, and I'm using an ADC 0804, which will display the digital values, and these values will be displayed on this 16x2 LCD. So let me brief you with some of the components of the circuit. That's my triple axis accelerometer. It's called triple axis because it can show acceleration across x, y, and z, all the three axes. You see x, y, and z, and then comes my 555 timer. It provides the clock frequency for this ADC to work. This is my ADC. This is my ADC's 8-bit data connected to the port 2 of this microcontroller, which reads the digital output from ADC, and then these wires over here are for the LCD interface, and that's 7805, and this is about my circuit. And now let me show you what happens when so this is my now the original value. I've connected this stuff for the x-axis right now. You see it's connected with x-axis, and when I shift it like this, or for x-axis it would be like this. So you see the values are increasing as I'm inclining it more with the surface, and it will decrease for the opposite side. This is for the x region. Now let me connect it with the y-axis. So I'll just remove this part and connect it for the y. It's connected with y right now, and now doing the same stuff that I did for x won't matter for the x part, for the y part. So for the y part we need to incline it in this way. You see the values are increasing as the inclination is increasing, and they go maximum till 115, right? And when we do it in the other way around, they're decreasing, and they're going to 74, 75. So that's how accelerometers are used in many projects. You can use them in hand gesture control to control something. You can also interface a wireless module so that things can be controlled wirelessly. So many projects can be made. You just need to have an idea, and embedded can solve it. Thanks.